Okay, you guys, you can see we are just covering our baking dish right here with a nice layer of onions. Ooh, yum. Now grab yourself some paprika and just sprinkle paprika all over the tops of these onions. Some sun-dried tomatoes. You're gonna open that all up and we're gonna use the oil of the sun-dried tomatoes along with the sun-dried tomatoes. So you just pour that entire jar right inside there. Let's mix this up. Oh, that flavor from the paprika, those sun-dried tomatoes, and that oil from them is going to be absolutely delicious, you guys. Grab yourself a clove of garlic. You can tell that I just cut off the top of that clove of garlic there, just like so. That's all you gotta do. Oh my goodness, it's gonna get so much flavor and delicious aroma into those onions, you guys. Let's seal these up. We're gonna cook them at 400. We were probably for about 45 minutes. We're caramelizing the onions, so we want them to cook so good. And stick around because this one pan dinner is gonna be a hit. I swear, your new favorite. All right, you guys, I am starving and my house smells like garlic and onions, and those are two of my favorite ones. Ooh, look at how nice and caramelized those onions got. They look fantastic. This is my favorite part. Look at that garlic, and we're just gonna squeeze it, and all of that garlic, look at that, it's just gonna start to come out. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. We're just gonna squeeze that all out right here in the onions. It was a little warm. Use my tongs so it squeezes all out. Oh, look at that garlic. Oh my goodness, roasted garlic like this is seriously the best. Once you get all that garlic out, then you can just go ahead and discard that outside. Now we're gonna throw in a little bit of spinach here. So we're gonna throw some spinach in there. And then we have some parsley. So let's just go ahead and we'll throw some parsley in there too. We're gonna squeeze a little bit of a lemon right on top of all of that good stuff. And then we're coming in with a little bit of coconut milk, and we'll pour about a 1/4 cup of coconut milk right in there. Yes. Now here are our pasta noodles. We are so ready for them. We're gonna just dump in some of these pasta noodles here. Let's see, how much do I really want? Maybe just a little bit more. Okay, what the heck? Let's just dump the whole thing in. All right, let's stir this up, this delicious pasta. Look at that creamy sauce that it's making with those caramelized onions, you guys. Caramelized onion pasta with that fresh, delicious garlic. Then we have those sun-dried tomatoes, the parsley, and the spinach. Look at that color and that texture, that creaminess. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Those onions are just slithering their way through. Okay, yeah, we want them all mixed in. We want a little bit of onion. I don't know if I'd say in every bite, but definitely. And that sauce is looking so good and creamy. So you just want to make sure you stir it up really well. I'd say that looks phenomenal. All right, I'm going to grab my bowl and see if I can just use my tongs here. Probably not the easiest way, but I only want to get a little bit right now. That looks so good. Do you see all those onions? You see that sauciness? Oh my goodness. Okay, we have to try this. Oh, let me get this onion off. It's just flopping around there. Okay. Going in. Going in for it. You guys, the sauce is absolutely amazing. The onion, the caramelization of the onion that's mixed in with the milk and the parsley and the spinach. Hands down, one of the best pasta dishes, you guys. We nailed this one. Caramelized onion pasta. Yes, home run, baby. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you later.